EagerLED workers are communicating and explaining the features of the video controller. EagerLED technicians introduce the function and usage of video controller interface to customers. Customers are learning the connection method of LED video controller very seriously. Use noavLCT software to connect the LED main screen. Introduce how to set and load the cable connection diagram and set the projection. Introduce how to set the main screen signal source to HDMI. Introduce how to use video playback software to publish video material. The LED display screen is synchronized successfully.